Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about medallion architecture. Now, till today you might have heard terms like bronze, silver, gold, or you might have also heard medallion architecture. But what exactly is this medallion architecture? This medallion architecture is a multi-hop architecture. So if you see, we have three hops and three layers. So the first one is bronze, the second one is silver, and the third one is gold. Now, the data moves from left to right. As data moves from left to right, it gets more validated, it gets more enriched, right? So the first hop that we have on the left hand side is bronze. So the bronze is used to capture data from source systems. Now the source systems can be streaming sources, batch sources, or variety of files. It can be CSV, JSON, text, Parquet, any kind of file that you use to capture the data in bronze layer. Bronze layer usually stores the raw data and also stores the history of the data. Now, we try to keep the data in the bronze layer as is. The reason is the data will always be available for the downstreams to consume. And once you store the data in bronze layer, it is optimized by Delta Lake. So the performance increases when you try to read the raw data from bronze layer. So as we move to the right, the next layer is silver layer. The silver layer is where you read the data from bronze layer and you try to filter, deduplicate, refine, clean the data. You can even join some of the bronze tables to create a new table in silver layer. The data is enriched while reaching from bronze to silver. Now, the next hop that we have on the right hand side, which is the last layer, is the gold. Now, gold often serves as a business need. While the data reaches at gold, it becomes aggregated as per business need, and also it is highly refined. Now, this gold layer serves as an endpoint for the analytical reports, AI/ML needs, or even you can share data through this gold layer. So, if you see, we have multi-hop architecture. When we move from left to right, the data gets more refined and the data gets more validated. So the first layer is bronze, where you store the raw data and you also try to keep the history. You can even add some of the audit columns like timestamps when you ingest the data in order to make sure that you keep the audit of the data. And while the data moves from left to right, you can join the data and make it more refined using filter, deduplication, cleaning techniques. And once the data is transformed, you can keep it in silver layer, and then you can aggregate the data and push it in gold layer, where the gold layer serves as an endpoint for analytical reports, AI/ML needs, and data sharing. In the end, we need to apply data quality and data governance, and this will be applied throughout all the three layers. And this is how a normal medallion architecture looks like. I hope you understood the use cases and why different layers are being used in a medallion architecture. In our next video, we'll start working with DLT, and we are going to create a medallion architecture to process the data between one layers to another layer. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep sharing.